What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, I'm back in one of my favorite locations and we have a lot of new things for the week. We have these cute little magnetic planners. Of course, the Happy Planner stickers are here. The watercolor set is here, 1,078 stickers. Also, the seasonal set is here, 1,557 stickers. You guys know those go for a lot more, and when Walmart was selling them, and I'm pretty sure they still are, these go for $19.97 each. Also this week we have some brand new scented markers from Jot. Neon crayons, glitter crayons. I've even seen pearl crayons in one of my other stores. These are super cute. The little pencil holders, the little pencil and pen bags. These are so cute. They're like a little hardback cover and they are so cute. Look at this. Aww, the little list pads. They come with a pen. I'm not sure if these are sticky notes or not, but they are really, really nice. They're calling them little stationery sets. I think they're so cute. Believe in yourself. We also have the pineapple one. Enjoy sunny days. Aw, so cute. And then we have this floral one. This is what it looks like on the outside. Really cute. And then I think we might have one more. Oh yeah, this one. This is reminding me of some of the new cups that Dollar Tree has. I found some really pretty new, actually glasses this week. Ooh, look at this one. Super cute. Which one is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. Which one is your favorite? Floral, blue floral, the fruit one, or the bees? I think the bee one is my favorite. That's so cute. Believe in yourself. I love that. And I am gonna get it. Yes, I'm gonna get it. Okay, let's put these back. We also have some new notebooks this week with the belly bands. It says Positive Vibes. It's by Jot. Super cute. 120 blank pages. We have some rainbow erasers. We have some smushy mushy pencils. The Sentinel scented gel pens. These are new. 3 to a pack. I love gel pens so much. They have to be my most favorite sort of pen. We have some new flip-flops here, white, green, camo. We have black. We have palm trees. Check out my last video if you guys want to see some of the other styles. Ooh. This store is nicely stocked. We have the pink flower wax melt burner. I'm kind of tempted to get this, you guys. It's a totally different shade than what I saw in my other store. And you guys know I bought a bunch of them. We also have yellow. And then we also have this sort of sand and white color. And then this one is new also. This one is new, as well as the gray. Aw, so cute. This has a nice big surface area. I think I want to get it. I think I want to get a couple of these actually. My wax melt burner collection is growing by the day. I probably have about 15 of them for TikTok. You guys know I melt and cook a lot of things over there. And sometimes they crack on me and then they just don't look as cute. So I think I'd like to get 2 of these white ones. It's almost a white, isn't it? This is gray. It's almost like a gray white. Okay, I am picking my faves. Yay. I'm really happy that we have even more new ones. Ooh, and I'm seeing even more new candles. These are all new this week. The brushed gold. We have red and light yellow and lilac. This is a Greenbrier brand candle. So those are our new ones. And then the little floating shelves are back. Aw, so cute. Laugh is free, grateful, aspire to inspire, and happy. I showed these in the other location. These ones are all brand new. I don't think my other location had this one though. I think the other location just had 3 of them. These are kind of cute. I kind of like them. And then these are also brand new. We've been having so many new candles lately. We have wild apple and ashwood. It's sort of a matte ceramic container. We have sun-kissed eucalyptus. We have this green acai palm and aloe. And we have cool as a cucumber. All brand new. Dollar Tree has been giving us a lot of new candles lately. And I think this one is new as well. This is one of the reed diffusers. We have wild apple ashwood, raspberry prosecco, and sun-kissed eucalyptus. And I feel like the wild apple and ashwood might be brand new. We have little things for weddings, ceremony, reception, and gifts, little pointers. What are they calling these? They're just calling them decor. People directors for weddings. Go that way. Come over here. Put the gift over there. These are so great, you guys. I love these so much. These are so great. You know what? I have 2 of them already, but I love them so much. I think I'm gonna get another one. That one keeps falling down because the little thing is broken. There we go. Now stay. My store has the Rescue It Again. This is the step 3 1-gallon refresh and brighten maintenance wash. This stuff is expensive, you guys. This stuff is like 20 something bucks at Home Depot. 20 something bucks a container. So if you need it, try to get it here. I think this folding knife is new. I haven't seen these anywhere before. And then my other store had a bunch of these 3D wreaths, and this location does too. We have the new square wreaths, heart wreaths, the big 18-inch wreath rings, And then we have the 14 and the 10-inch 3D wreath rings. And all of this burlap trim is also brand new. And it looks like we're getting our fall burlap trim in. And I think this one is new as well. But hey, you guys, I'm about to hop on over to the next aisle. So join me in the very next video for more new items for the week here in Dollar Tree. I'm finding so many great new things this week. So definitely join me in my next video and don't miss out. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.